Hello everyone, IGOW Season 3 is opening up very soon and there's no time to waste. It's time to get signed up below. I'll cut right to it. Down in the video description is a link to the Discord, and inside that Discord, if you choose to go the Discord route, you can find the sign up sheet and all the details about IGOW. I'll also have a link directly to that Google document. But IGOW is all about whoops. It's the international game of whoop, and this is Season 3. Last season had, I think it was nearly 300 pilots. And it's a competition, but it's not the same sort of competition that you might be thinking of. To me, IGOW is mainly about three things: flying, fun, and learning. And the reason why I throw learning in there is because I think IGOW is a great way, even if you're an early on pilot, that you can explore these things. Sometimes we need that nudge. Maybe it's a buddy. In this case, it could be an online global buddy in this group of IGOW participants to push us forward a little bit, to get us to do something that might be a touch out of our comfort zone. And I participated in Season 1. I did okay. It's kind of hard to balance all the time between everything. And in Season 2, I was a judge, and this year I am a judge as well as a sponsor. And there's all sorts of prizes. And to win a prize, you don't have to be the best pilot. You can be creative in your video presentation. You can take advantage of any little quirks that you see, those gaps within the submissions, in order to make yourself stand out. You don't have to be the eventual winner. And if you've participated in IGOW in the past, go ahead down in the comment section, talk about your experience too. And if you're wondering, I've only been flying a month, should I get involved? Yeah, what can it hurt? It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. As long as you have goggles that can record your flights, you could submit them. There's some details about submitting them, but it's not technical or hard. It's just about, making sure you have the pilot name in there just for clerical purposes. So if you're new, or if you're a grizzled veteran like some of us are, get involved. The Whoop community, Jesse Perkins has kind of fostered this really fun and nice and reasonable FPV Whoop community. And Daniel and Liz, thank you both very much. I think we all should thank you both very much for putting in the long hours. I have seen some of your live streams kind of after the fact, but I've seen them, and they're very long, and they're set up, and because you've got all these pilots and you've got to get through all the videos. They have put in a lot of work, and you can definitely tell that it's a passion project, because no one would work that hard essentially for free unless they loved it. And I do believe that Daniel and Liz both love it. And so thank you very much for doing this for the FPV community. And I'm sure many, many others thank you as well. And again, I want to remind you, this is not a cutthroat competition. This is about getting together with other like-minded people who enjoy the hobby. Don't think you're the only new person if you're new, or don't think you're the only 50-plus person if you're 50-plus. Just get involved. This is a really good way of having some fun and being able to explore FPV with the funnest quads around, with a group of other people who think the same way. So if you're interested, and I think you should be, go down in that video description, hit the Discord link or hit that Google document and sign up for IGOW3. You've only got about a week left, so don't delay. Don't wait till the night before. There is a video you have to make to submit as part of your signing up or participating in IGOW3. So get down there. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and get it done. And I can't wait to see your video coming up in the submissions. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.